What if you can give businesses a simple quiz and at the end, it tells them exactly what AI automations they need? Plus, it makes you look like the expert to build it out for them. Well, I vibe coded one and it's pretty fire. Now, I built this mainly because I like creating dope tools with no code. But as I was finishing it, I realized this could actually be a killer lead magnet for other AI agency owners too. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, why it's so powerful, and how you can use something like this, whether you're a vibe coder or you're running your own AI agency. All right, here it is. It's a simple lead magnet, quiz funnel, landing page, one page here, and then it's got some questions. I'm going to dive in and show you what those questions are. Effortless AI is the name of my AI agency. So I put my branding up here, but you could put any logo up here you want. And what this is going to do is give personalized recommendations to that business so they know exactly what AI automations would help them, show them how much time they would save, and then how ready their business is to adopt AI. So they click start your free AI audit. They type in their business name. For now, we're going to type in Bob's Guitars. Select the industry. Let's just look for the industry, arts, entertainment. That could fall under that, I guess. Next, they pick their business size, small, medium, or large. Let's say it's a medium-sized business. They answer different ways that they actually get customers, referrals, events, online, maybe some email marketing. How do most of your customers prefer to contact you? Phone, email, social media? Are you using anything? I'm using a CRM, maybe some accounting software, email marketing. Now I get to type in specifically what AI tools are using right now. Most businesses are just using ChatGPT. They don't really know other AI tools for emails and answer questions. Common business questions. And then what's your biggest challenge? So think about this. If this is your lead magnet, you're finding out what your lead's biggest challenge is. So that's a great way to help them with AI, but also you know how to serve them better. So what's their biggest challenge? You know, a lot of people, it's getting clients. But it could be anything. They can type whatever they want. Most repetitive tasks, data entry, I don't know, something like along the lines of that. They could put multiple things in here. Data entry, I don't know, answering emails. Next. And see how clean this is? It gives a nice little progress bar. So it encourages them to finish it. It's not much longer. No SOPs, standard operating procedures. Acquiring new customers. Do you struggle? Yes, I struggle. And if they put no, it won't list them. But if they put yes, it will. Creating content, posting consistently. And, I have a CRM to store all my business data. Cool. So now it captures the lead. So I'll just put Zach Babiarz. That's me. Pick up a random email and a random phone number. Okay. Just put a random phone number in there. And now I hit complete audit. The AI is going to work. I trained an OpenAI assistant and used an API key and prompted it so it can analyze all the data and how they answer the questions and spit out a report you guys are going to see in a second. It's a beautiful report, and it's also custom tailored to their business needs. So it's a lead magnet, but also it's a really useful software tool for these businesses to know what the gaps are in their process and what AI they can add. So it gives them like a little quick summary that's custom to them, how they answer the questions, specific pain point, getting clients, right? ChatGPT for emails, repetitive tasks. It can save them up to 3 hours daily. So it shows an AI readiness score, hours it saves them daily, and 6 different solutions it found for them. Projected ROI over the course of a year, 22,000. That's pretty cool. Gives them some visuals here. Some key insights. Bob's Guitars is already using AI tools, indicated readiness to adopt more technologies. The business could significantly reduce time spent on repetitive tasks like data entry and email responses by implementing AI solutions. So let's see what it recommended. Content creation tools. That's going to help them with the content content creation questions that were asked, customer service, CRM, so using AI tools within the CRM, email marketing tailored to them, social media optimization, voice bots, and SEO tools. So very specific to how the questions were answered. Remember I said, sending emails is a big time waster, right? Repetitive task. It recommended AI email marketing automation. And then the coolest part is it's going to call to action for them to book a strategy call. So I have it hooked up to my personal agency where someone can book a call with me, but you can connect it to yours, right? And then I think this is the coolest part. If I download a report and I open it up, it looks like this. And they get a report they can download as a PDF that has everything you just saw in that really, fancy UI report. So they can go through there and see everything. And maybe they want to save this on their computer or come back to it later. And it's got my link in there as well. So that's what's really cool about this lead funnel, is that it's custom. It is AI powered, so it's valuable. It lets them know some basic tools they can use, and then they can book a call with me to get more clarity on that and find exactly how to get those tools implemented into their business. Another element I added to this, so then that lead goes to my personal CRM, is I used N8N to create an MCP that will send it to my personal CRM that I use, convertwave.ai, and the answers to all the questions are right here. So they get sent right into my CRM. So when I call them, I know, what their business is currently doing, what they're struggling with. And then I get a tag as well. So it tags them and organizes my lead, and I can set up some follow-up automations like text and email and whatnot if I want to. So that's like the full system I just built. I just vibe coded this in about a week. Probably one of my best vibe coding tools that's super valuable for business owners or agency owners to just give a value to their lead, get a lot of information about their lead, and also serve them at a high level by showing them what gaps they have and going ahead and booking a call and building out really cool stuff for them, knowing exactly how to serve them. So if you want me to break this down step by step, exactly how I built this, drop a comment below and let me know. And also, if you are running an AI automation agency right now and you want me to build a custom version of this for your business, shoot me a message and we'll make something happen. Cheers, guys. See you in the next one.